It's Friday, FriYAY, the 21st of October. And believe it or not, it's not Halloween, but in downtown Southern Pines tonight, it is Halloween. And they are coming down to trick or treat. We have hundreds and hundreds of kids and families, and it goes on for like an hour, and it's unbelievable. So I got to do my video and get it done so I can get in uniform, which is only going to be a cowboy hat and a pair of boots. So there you go. Keep it simple. I got in the coolest, fun stuff that you've ever seen. If you want to decorate your tree or give a gift, I have got the gifts for you. I have gotten in all these fabulous handmade felt ornaments. They are amazing. So I have gnomes. Look at these guys. Are they the cutest things you've ever seen? Gnomes. Look at him. So cute. These guys are 15. Cute. Look at the hair. Oh, so cute. All right. I have gnomes. I have hedgehogs. What? The hedgehog is 16. Adorable. I have horses. Holiday horses. I get the tag out of the way. Aren't they adorable? The horses are 14. I have monarch butterflies. Look at that. 1850. Gorgeous. Handmade. These are needle felted. Gorgeous. I have sheep. Look at her. Bah. So cute. 16 on the sheep. Then I have a whole farm animals. This is a spotted pony, right? Pony is 14. Then I have the cow. This stuff is so cute. You can't even stand it. These are all 14. I have the pig. Look at the pig. Amazing. I have the rooster. He's amazing. And I have the donkey. So cute. Love these guys. Okay, they were all 14. Then I have the forest collection. So I have another hedgehog. These guys are 14. So there's a, oh no, it's porcupine. I'm sorry. Porcupine. A deer. So cool. A squirrel. Check out the squirrel. Love the squirrel with an acorn. These are so cute. This is a fox. So cute. The fox is adorable. And we have an owl. So fabulous. An owl. Love it. And last but not least, we have Queen Elizabeth in pink or in turquoise. Queen Elizabeth is $23 because she's so amazing. Then, oh, I forgot. I have striped cats. The cats are 14. Gray and white, black and gray, and tabby. What? Oh, no. Is that a tabby? No, it's not a tabby. It's a, I don't know. It's a yellow one. All right. Those are my ornaments. So love them. Don't forget to comment or like us both on YouTube and on Facebook. So excited about my ornaments. They're hanging in the window. I got a cool tree to put them on. I'm so excited. All right. I got to go do trick-or-treaters. I'll see you tomorrow.